Hey everyone, imagine a chat app where new message appear instantly without refreshing the page. That's real time. In this video, I will show you how Supabase real time feature work and how to enable it completely through the dashboard. Understand like our real time. So real time means your app can listen to your database and get notified the moment something change. A new row get added, an existing row get updated, a row get deleted. Instead of your app constantly asking did anything change yet, Supabase push the update to your app instantly the second it happened. Now go to your table editor. For example, let's go our table editor and open the table you want to make live. Let's use our to do table. Again, click on the table setting. You will find a toggle for enable real time. So basically what you can do, you can go here and you can enable real time to do list. You can like enable this one. When enabling real time, you will notify, you can pick exactly which event to listen for, insert, update, or delete. For example, if you want your app to know when new to do are added, you are enable just insert or skip the other tools. These keep things efficient since you are not sending updates to your app doesn't actually needs. So real time is what power thing like chat app, collaborating tool where you see the other people typing like live notifications or dashboard that update automatically without anyone refreshing the page. And the best part, you are setting all of this up without touching a single line of backend code. And that's it. Now you understand how real time basically work in like a Supabase. And if this helps, subscribe for more no code Supabase tutorial. Let me know in the comment which feature you want to cover next. Thank you.